Hey favorite, welcome back to another episode of In My Kitchen by Dory. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how I make this yummy green sauce that you can have it with your barbecue. Just put it alongside your pepper sauce and it's going to take your barbecue from A to A plus. So if you want to see how to make this fresh seasoning, please check the iCard popping up on your screen or check the comment section. So what I added there is just Maggi and country onion, and that is gonna change your seasoning to another level. Again, check how to make the green paste. I will link it in the comment section if you missed the iCard. So just let it cook until there is little or no moisture. Please continuously check to avoid your green sauce to get burned. Put it in a glass bottle or whatever container you have. Let it cool down and then clock it. I love to use this ones because it is airtight and I can store this in my fridge 4 weeks plus. And each time I want to eat, I just go in, take it, add it to my meal or add it to my grill or to my fried fish or whatever it is that I'm eating, and it's super yummy. Do not forget to try it. If you try it, please come back and let me know how it went. If you have watched right up to this point, here is the part where I say please don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in another one. It was so yummy. Bye. Remember, God loves you.
This green sauce, I'm too kind to share this creation with you guys.